A loud knocking noise from your engine is a warning you should never ignore. In many cases, the culprit is the spin rod or main bearings. These small but critical components allow the crankshaft and connecting rods to rotate smoothly inside the engine. When a bearing spins, it's not just a minor issue. It can lead to catastrophic engine damage and extremely costly repairs. In this guide, we'll break down how these bearings work, why they fail, and the severe consequences of neglecting the problem. Rod and main bearings are a type of sliding bearing made from a steel shell coated with a special anti-friction material. They sit in precisely machined seats inside the engine block and connecting rods, held in place with a tight interference fit and small locking tabs. During operation, the crankshaft rotates inside these bearings on a thin film of motor oil. This oil prevents direct metal-to-metal contact, reducing friction and wear. As long as the bearings stay properly lubricated and securely mounted, the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. One of the leading causes of a spun bearing is incorrect installation during an engine rebuild. If repair bearings are selected incorrectly or the fit is too loose, the bearing can vibrate in its seat. Over time, the oil film breaks down, the locking tab can't hold, and the bearing spins in its housing. Engine bearings are designed to operate with hydrodynamic lubrication, a thin oil film that completely separates the bearing from the crankshaft journal. If oil pressure drops, the film becomes too thin or breaks entirely, resulting in metal-to-metal contact. This causes overheating, scuffing, and ultimately, the bearing seizes and spins. When the engine overheats, motor oil thins out, reducing the protective film on the bearings. Friction rises, heat builds up locally, and the risk of a spun bearing increases dramatically. Dirty or low-quality oil, clogged filters, or a failing oil pump all contribute to this problem. Rough or damaged surfaces on the bearing or crankshaft journal can create spots of dry friction. If abrasive debris enters the oil, it accelerates wear. That's why freshly rebuilt engines need a proper break-in period with frequent oil changes. This allows micro-imperfections to smooth out and prevents premature bearing failure. Spun rod bearings are serious, but slightly less catastrophic than spun main bearings, especially if caught early. The usual repair involves replacing the connecting rod and machining the crankshaft journal to an undersized repair specification, then installing new bearings. If a main bearing spins, the damage can be much worse. It can destroy the crankshaft, damage the bearing saddle in the block, and in severe cases, seize the entire engine. Continuing to drive with a knocking engine often leads to a full engine rebuild, or even complete engine replacement. Use only the correct grade and specification of motor oil. Change the oil and filter at the recommended intervals. Avoid engine overheating and monitor oil pressure closely. Never rev or heavily load a cold engine. Allow proper warm-up. After an engine rebuild, follow a careful break-in procedure to let the mating surfaces properly seat. Perform professional repairs with precise bearing selection and crankshaft measurements. UA spun engine bearing is not just a nuisance, it's a warning of severe internal damage. The main causes are oil starvation, overheating, contamination, and improper assembly. Ignoring early signs like knocking noises can escalate a minor repair into a full engine rebuild. With proper maintenance, quality oil, and attentive driving habits, you can greatly reduce the risk and keep your engine running smoothly for years.